beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mattie and welcome back to another video. If you haven't already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and share this video as well. If you would like to meet up with me on other social media platforms, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter for more updates. So with all that being said, let's jump right into this video. So okay you guys, I'm going to start off with my hair. I'm just going to do maybe a high top notch for this look. So I do have my water bottle and I'm just going to spray around the perimeters of my hair. And I will be speeding up the video so it won't be so, well, just say actually long. So yeah. Okay, so the hair is all done and it's just something quick. And if you wanted to bring out more hair out the back, you can, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna go on to the makeup and I'm just gonna speed through that as fast. And then, yes, we'll be on to the outfit. So now I'm gonna just get started with the brows. Okay, you guys, so next I'm gonna go ahead and transition some summer pieces into a fall look that you can do layering with. So I'm gonna go ahead and share what top I'm gonna put on first. So this here is the top. So let's slip this on. Okay. So next I'm gonna go ahead and apply. So next I'm gonna apply this here long here cardigan. So I added something to kind of jazz it up just a little bit. You can wear it open like that or however you want to wear it. And it just changed the whole look. Make the look so yeah. Even to turn this in from a summer blouse, which is a spaghetti string kind of canvas, into a fall piece. Just layer it with a long cardigan, and the cardigan has the two pockets on the side. To finish off this look, I would add, so I was gifted this nice design jewelry by Linjer, which is a brand that allows people to enjoy the finer things in life every day by making high quality products and selling them at an affordable price. It's high quality material like silver, sterling silver, and solid gold for a fraction of the price of traditional retailers. Gold plated jewelry, gold vermeil that is 5 times thicker than regular gold plated jewelry. This means that it would last way longer. So the piece of jewelry that I chose was the Lillesand necklace. It's a circular and oval link, which is called the OG Sassy staple. This necklace chain has 3 length settings: 16 inch, 18 inch, and 20 inch. And I have it on 18 inch. This Lillesand necklace is gold vermeil. It has 925 silver at its core and is plated in a thick layer of gold measuring 2.5-3.0 micron. This is a 5 times thicker and longer lasting than regular gold plated jewelry. 14 karat gold for its beautiful, elegant hue. So now after I applied the Lillesand necklace to the look and gave it that nice polished look, as I transitioned this outfit into the fall, so next I'll be sharing this Lillesand necklace with another outfit that's similar to the first one, just with different colors, so you can see what it looks like as I share with those shades of color. So the reason I chose this Lillesand necklace is that it can be layered with other pieces from Linjer. And I would like to give a big shout out to Linjer for gifting me this beautiful Lillesand necklace. It is gorgeous, it's beautiful, I love the way it lays, I love the lightweight of it. So you guys, this here's the end of the video. So, and I do have a special offer down in the description section. Please don't forget to check it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on that post notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever I upload any videos. So until next time, you guys be blessed and don't forget to be a blessing, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.